In the ever-evolving digital landscape, leading brands like Yahoo, eBay, USA Today, Cloudflare, and more have recognized the importance of embracing Index Now to enhance their online presence. This is more than a trend. It's a game changer. Without Index Now, search engines crawl websites at their own pace, not when site owners publish new content. These unpredictable crawlers can miss newly published content for hours or even days. This means searchers are unable to benefit from your latest product listings, press releases, or other important content. And without the ability to control when and what content is indexed, search results captions can appear outdated and lower your site's rankings by sending customers to wrong or broken links. This leads to mismatched content and frustrated searchers who miss out on your website's latest offerings. But with just one simple ping, Index Now shares your website's new, updated, and deleted content across all participating search engines as soon as they happen, giving searchers access to your most relevant and current information at the time of search. And by updating your content to match evolving user needs, you not only contribute to enhanced user satisfaction, but also higher click-through rates, longer on-site engagement, improved site authority, and ultimately, higher search engine rankings. Index Now guides crawlers when and what to crawl, significantly decreasing advertising costs by improving your organic rankings, while also reducing crawl costs. Having better online visibility isn't just about having a website. It's about your latest content being found. As a free protocol, Index Now seamlessly integrates into most content management systems. In fact, many content management systems and cloud delivery networks already support Index Now by default, requiring little to no effort on your part. To learn how you can adopt Index Now, simply visit bing.com/indexnow.